The FQ4000 controller examines the temperature difference between the cook probe, mounted low in the vat, and the AIF probe, mounted high in the vat, during startup. The monitoring ensures there's sufficient oil for the vat to be safely heated. A temperature difference greater than 19 degrees Fahrenheit is seen as an absence of oil, and the fryer won't go to full burn. The problem is usually caused by oil failing to return to the fry pot after a filter cycle. The cause can be bad O-rings on the filter pan pickup, dirty filter pan, or a clogged inline filter. The fryer's efforts to rectify this can take several minutes, and there'll be times when the controller is displaying heating in progress, although it's not calling for heat. The burners are only active when the heat icons are on the display. After noting a temperature difference between the probes of more than 19 degrees, the fryer shuts down and displays a low oil warning. Turn the fryer on with the on-screen button. The screen shows preheating, but the fryer doesn't call for heat for 2.5 minutes as the oil stabilizes. The fryer then enters a 4-minute sequence in which it calls for heat for 10 seconds and is off for 24 seconds. If the temperature gap shrinks to under 19 degrees Fahrenheit, the fryer will return to normal operation. If the temperature gap between the cook probe and the AIF probe is greater than 19 degrees Fahrenheit during the 4-minute window, the fryer displays an E81 error and shuts down. A passcode 4357 is required to restart the fryer. The problem or problems that cause the low oil must be rectified at the source. Additional directions to address filter pan issues appear on the screen if the problem occurs during a filter cycle. Pouring oil into the fry pot doesn't fix the problem. It can make it worse, as cold oil will be resting against the AIF probe, widening the gap between the temp probe and the AIF probe. The issue causing the fryer to not refill properly must be corrected. A less common cause of low oil warning is turning the fryer on after it's been turned off for a while. The oil at the top of the vat and resting against the AIF probe will have cooled more than the oil in the lower vat and nearer the heat source. The temperature difference is enough to cause the low vat warning. This issue can be resolved by stirring the vat with a basket, redistributing the temperature in the vat.